Welcome to Trading Psychology Journal, where we go deep into the mindset that makes or breaks traders. If you're into day trading for beginners, what you're about to hear might change the way you look at every single winning trade from now on. Let's be honest, when you win a trade, even a small one, something powerful happens inside your mind. A voice appears, it whispers, "You should trade bigger next time." That voice sounds logical, doesn't it? After all, if you just made a small profit trading one unit, then by trading 5 times bigger, you could make 5 times more. That's the dangerous illusion everyday trader faces, and most don't even realize it until it's too late. You see, after a win, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical responsible for pleasure, confidence, and risk-taking. This surge makes you feel unstoppable, like you finally cracked the code of how to day trade, and that's exactly when the market sets the trap. You start thinking, if I was right with a small position, I'll be right with a big one. Why waste time with tiny profits when I could scale up? But this logic is deceptive. It's not trading skill that's growing, it's your ego. And ego is the fastest way to destroy your account in day trading crypto, day trading forex, or day trading stocks. It doesn't matter what market you're in. Many traders experience the same cycle. Start small, win a few trades, feel confident, increase position size, lose big, feel angry, try to win it back, lose everything. This is the classic spiral of emotional trading. It's not because the market suddenly turned against you, it's because your psychology shifted. The difference between the person who made those first small wins and the one who lost everything later is not strategy. State of mind. Think about it. When you trade small, you're calm. You're patient. You follow your plan. But when you increase your position size, when the risk suddenly means something to your real-life money, your brain changes. Every tick against you feels painful. Every small retracement feels personal. You stop thinking in probabilities and start thinking in emotions. That's when you lose. This happens across all markets. Whether you're figuring out how to trade crypto, how to trade stocks, or how to trade forex, it's always the same mental trap. The more you win, the more you start to believe you can't lose. And that's when you do. Let me ask you something. Has anyone ever really told you about this? Most videos about day trading for beginners talk about strategies, indicators, or entry signals. Few people ever mention the psychological trap of success, the silent killer that wipes out more accounts than any bad trade ever could. Nobody warns you that winning feels dangerous, but it is, because winning triggers overconfidence. Overconfidence triggers larger risk. Larger risk triggers emotional instability, and emotional instability ends in disaster. If you've ever thought, I just need to trade bigger to make real money, stop right there. That thought is not coming from logic, it's coming from emotion. The dopamine high after a win. It's your brain craving another hit of that winning feeling, like an addiction. And like every addiction, it starts with small wins, and ends with big losses. Now let's get practical. If you truly want to survive and grow as a day trader, you need one thing above all: risk discipline. Here's the golden rule. Risk only 1 to 2% of your account per trade. If your account is small, you can stretch to 2%. If your account is large, stick to 1% or less. This rule sounds boring, but it's the difference between trading for a year and trading for a lifetime. When you trade small and win, resist the temptation to scale up immediately, because your psychology hasn't adapted yet. You haven't built emotional tolerance for larger wins or larger losses. Winning bigger money changes you. It amplifies greed, fear, and attachment. Your focus shifts from following the process to protecting the profit. That's why so many traders lose right after their biggest wins. If you want to know how to day trade for beginners, here's the real secret no one tells you. Your first goal is not to make money. Your first goal is to build emotional strength. Money follows mastery. Mastery follows control. Control begins with awareness. When you win, observe how your body reacts. Do you feel excited, confident, restless? Do you suddenly want to take another trade right away? That's not your strategy speaking. That's your ego. Ego says, let's double up. Discipline says, let's rest. The trader who listens to ego loses. The trader who listens to discipline wins. Slowly, steadily, sustainably. In day trading, every decision is emotional first, logical second. That's why two traders can use the same strategy but get completely different results. One keeps his emotions under control, the other lets them run wild. If you've been wondering how to trade crypto or how to trade stocks successfully, Start with mastering your internal reactions, not external setups. The chart doesn't destroy you, your reactions to the chart do. Here's the typical journey of a beginner. They study all the technical patterns. They learn about breakouts, moving averages, MACD, RSI, and Fibonacci. They open a demo account, trade small, and see good results. Then, they go live. They win their first few trades. Confidence rises. They raise their lot size. And then, the market reminds them who's boss. That first big loss hurts more than it should. It's not just the money, it's the shattered illusion of control. They double down to make it back, but now they're trading angry. That anger fuels another bad trade, and the cycle repeats until their account is gone. Sound familiar? This is why understanding trading psychology matters more than any chart pattern ever will. The truth is, the market isn't harsh, it's neutral, always has been. The harshness comes from you, the trader who hasn't learned to manage your own emotional waves. If you can't control yourself after a small win, you won't survive the pressure of large profits or large losses. This is why professional traders don't celebrate small wins. They log them, they move on, and they stick to their process. They know that every win carries a hidden risk, the risk of overconfidence. So, what should you do next time you win? Pause. Don't jump into another trade right away. Take a breath. Journal the trade. Write down not just what happened on the chart, but what happened inside your head. Were you calm, anxious, excited? Remind yourself of the rule, 1 to 2% risk every time. No exceptions. Detach. A win doesn't mean you're invincible. A loss doesn't mean you're a failure. Both are feedback, not identity. Stay consistent. You don't need to trade bigger, you need to trade better. In day trading forex, day trading crypto, or day trading stocks, your edge isn't your system, it's your self-awareness. When you can watch your emotions rise and fall without reacting, you gain true power. You stop being a gambler and start being a professional. Because here's the truth few will tell you. You don't lose money because you don't know how to trade. You lose money because you can't stop yourself from doing what you know you shouldn't. And that's what this channel, Trading Psychology Journal, is all about, helping you see your own mind clearly so you can finally trade with calm, confidence, and control.